This is actually my first time running a router. All this is new to me. I'm just a general person at retard and doing a few different odds and ends, and I like doing a little bit of woodworking, learn what I've learned. Most of it's been off of YouTube, which has helped a lot. So this is my first time running this router. The bit I have on here is a round over bit, 3/8, but it is probably a little bit short for this wood. Like I said, this is my first time. It has rounded the edges very, very well. But I leave a little bit of edge right here, which I'm guessing the wood's a little bit wider than the round over bit that I have. I need one a little bit bigger. But it rounds the edges real nice. And the other nice thing about this Kobalt one, maybe all of them have it, I don't know. But when you turn it on, you have a light. You have lights down inside the motor that shine up. It helps you be able to see a lot better.